your first 6 weeks test. Please remember to use your strategies on every single problem. There is something that you can do on every one of these problems. So in between problems, I'm going to try to remember to let you know to pause the recording so that you can use your strategy, answer the question, and then you can click play whenever you're ready to begin. So I'm kind of going to guide you at first, but then after a while I'm going to let you take over and try to remember to do it on your own. So here we go with number 1. In Formula One racing, teams of car makers and drivers compete for the World Championship title in a series of races. At the track in Melbourne, Australia, 1 lap around the racetrack is equal to 3.295 miles. What is the value of the 5 in this number? So remember, you're going to use your strategy now and pause, hit the pause button, and hit play when you're ready to go. Number 2. Hour can be converted to speed in kilometers per hour by multiplying the speed in miles per hour by the number, and then it gives you a number in expanded notation. What is this value written in standard form? So this time you're going from expanded notation to standard form. Use a strategy. Go ahead and pause now and then press play when you're ready to go. In the number 964.387, I'm not going to read it the way it should be because then I'll give away the answer, but in 964.37, what digit is in the hundredths place? Go ahead and pause and use this strategy and unpause when you're ready to go. A bank received a check for $2,609.75. How is this number written in expanded notation? Pause. Benjamin wrote a number greater than 42.74. What number could Benjamin have written? Pause. Coach Mike was timing 4 of his track runners. He wrote down their 4 best times. Which 2 boys had the fastest times? Pause. Mark measured the length of the cabinets in inches. The length was between 13.6 and 17.5 inches. What could that length have been? Pause. Gabriel bought a watermelon that weighs 14.359 pounds. Which number shows this weight rounded to the nearest tenth? Pause. Brenda bought some bracelets for 5 of her friends. Each bracelet cost $4.32. Which is the closest estimate to the amount Brenda paid for the 5 bracelets? Pause. Which comparison statement is not true? Pause. Holly wants to buy a magazine that costs $6.50. She figures in the tax on a calculator and finds the total to be 7.536. What is her total rounded to the nearest cent or tenths place? Alan worked 10.25 hours at the supermarket. Bill worked 7.5 hours. What is the difference between how long Alan and Bill worked? Pause. Amber went to the store to buy some snacks. She bought a bag of chips for $3, a bottle of soda for $1.25, and a candy for 50 cents. What is the sum of what Amber spent on the snacks? And you're going to put your answer in the gridable that's given to you. Pause. Andy mailed 2 packages at the post office. The first package weighed 3.2 pounds. The second package weighed 2.09 pounds. How much more did the first package weigh than the second package? Pause. Which number shows 1.24.125 rounded to the nearest hundredth? Pause. Find the product of 213 and 35. Pause. Paula owns a candle shop. There are 273 shelves in her shop. Ooh, I apologize. There are 273 shelves in her shop. She has 34 candles on each shelf. How many total candles does she have? Pause. A company makes 625 cell phone cases each day. How many cell phone cases can the company make in 21 days? Now that's your last question. Make sure you go back over your test and put your answers on your Scantron and put them in DMAC. And don't forget to follow the directions. There's also a bonus that's on the board, and so just answer that question and fill it in on the test itself. Good luck.